man Jay.
Ohana.
Back with another vlog. Day two. Say nah. But yeah, we gotta go to Animal Kingdom. Alright, I'm sporting the Animal Kingdom shirt, you know what I'm saying? Lion King. And I got the shorts on, the white shoes, and I just got my hat. No.
Sorry.
Messed it up.
I have my Aristocats t-shirt, my gray biker shorts, my white Adidas from yesterday, and my giraffe ears on. Let's go get breakfast and off to Animal Kingdom. But a little update. The bow and Minnie peeled. You can't see Mickey that much. He's really a hidden Mickey on me. And I actually like it. So let's go to what park?
Animal Kingdom.
No.
Animal Kingdom. What's up, guys? We made it to Animal Kingdom.
It's hot.
For real. I'm sweating. It's just the mask though. The mask makes you hot. But we about to go to Flight of Passage and we're about to show you this tree real quick. It's beautiful. It's mad beautiful. This is like one of the best parks. But we'll show you guys that right now. Y'all see that tree? The tree of life. Oh, look. Mickey.
Welcome to the Avatar program. Soon, you're gonna have a chance to undertake an amazing Na'vi rite of passage, flying on the back of this powerful animal called an Ikran, or as we call it, a Banshee. The way you're gonna do this is by being matched to something called an avatar. And I'm here to help you guys get ready. But first, we have to scan you for Pandoran microparasites. Alright everyone, stay on your number and move your arms a bit. Okay, start scan. You've all got them. But don't worry, they're very common around these parts. Let's start the decon.
Initiating GMR decon.
Stand still over your number, you're not gonna feel a thing. You're doing great. Almost done here.
They're all clear.
Great. Now let's go over how all this works. Like I said before, you're going to be matched to these things called avatars, which look a lot like the Na'vi. They're created by blending human DNA and Na'vi DNA. Once we match you to an avatar, thanks to a special link chair, your mind will be able to control that avatar. Using avatars to fly this way was all figured out by my boss, Dr. Jackie Ogden.
Connecting to an Ikran and flying on its back is an incredibly important rite of passage they call Ikni Maya. With permission from the Na'vi and in partnership with Alpha Centauri Expeditions, we can now bring this amazing experience to you. The way you'll be able to fly is by linking to an avatar that's already on the back of an Ikran. Let's see how this works.
We establish a link using powerful psionic amplification equipment. A human driver is connected to an avatar, which could be physically hundreds of kilometers away. When you follow our technician into the link chamber, you'll see a series of 16 link chairs. Please go to the number that matches the number you're standing on now. First, stow your gear in the storage containers on the back wall. This should include all bags, cameras, and other items, including supplements.
guys. We went to where we go?
Flight of Passage and Navi River Zoo.
Yeah, now we're going to Dinosaur. Dinosaur that way. To ride that. It's a 10-minute wait. We're about to do that. And then we're going to the Lion King.
Yeah, because by the time we get out, it'll be time to go there.
No.
Huh?
By the time we get out. Yeah, I guess. I
I meant to go back all the way back that way. So yeah, we're
so we'll see you guys at Dinosaur.
It seems just in time to correct a little misstatement.
Dr. Marsh.
That is impossibly close to the giant asteroid impact that destroyed most life forms on Earth. Our tools are designed to take you to the early Cretaceous period, and I can assure you that all time rulers have been securely locked on those coordinates.
That's right. See? Securely locked. Access denied.
Continue.
Of course. We were just talking about seatbelts. Plug them in. Use them. It can get kind of choppy out there, so keep your hands and arms aside the vehicle at all times.
Flash photography? I wouldn't. It alters the homing signal, and that's not good. Oh, and one more thing.
Those locked coordinates?
We're in. Now, here's the drill. You follow the homing signal to the Iguanodon, then I'll enlarge the transport field, and boom, you're back with one additional passenger extra large. And don't worry about that asteroid. You'll be in and out of there before it even breaks the atmosphere. Trust me, what could go wrong? Hey, it's me again.
Welcome to our world. Oh, turning on cool power in this land. Welcome to our world. Welcome.
We are a band of singers who travel with Simba and his friends throughout the land with this celebration. Time for introductions. My name is Kiume and I am the leader of our group. Kiume is Swahili for masculine and strong. What do you think? Next we have Nakawa,
Which is Swahili for good looking.
Hey!
Good looking.
and this is Kibibi.
Which means impatient.
It means princess.
And finally, we have Zawadi.
Which is Swahili for the gift.
The gift.
The gift. And if you want to stay good looking, you best back off the attitude, mister.
Okay. Hey, I think I hear them coming.
Wonderful. Right on time. Everyone.
You've all picked a very special day to visit. You see, today, we've come to town for a big celebration, and you, my friends, are invited to join in the fun.
Come on, everybody. Get ready to clap your paws, stomp your hooves, and ruffle your feathers as we welcome you to the Lion King. Let the procession begin. I just can't wait. Hey, what are you doing? Slow down, slow down! I'm supposed to be center stage! Who's driving this thing?
Timon! Glad you can make it! We can't have a celebration without you! Don't worry, friend. You'll have your time in the spotlight.
Oh, I just can't wait to be king. To be king, yeah, yeah, to be king. Hello, hello.
Hello, Pumbaa!
Look at me, I'm in a parade.
And you're looking good! Love you, Pumbaa!
What arms rule?
Sweet on Big Man!
Shoppity, doing it about. Oh, I just can't wait to
There he is, the mighty pachyderm. Let me hear your trumpet triumphant.
Hi, everybody. Than can ever be seen, more to do than can ever be done. There's far too much to take in here, more to find than can ever be found. The sun rolling high through the sapphire sky keeps great and small on the endless round. It's a circle of light, and it moves us on through despair and hope, faith and love, till we find our place on the path of
Came back to the resort, got us some food. Cheese, ew, the receipt. Cheese pizza. Oh, it's actually pretty big. Alright. Another cheese pizza. And then they gave us salads to go.
But
We forgot forks, but I'm not eating my salad right now. I can eat it later. But yeah, so we're back. We're chilling. And then probably sit here for like 45 minutes, maybe an hour, and then go back. Because we got until like 8 o'clock anyway. And we only got like, maybe we can still walk around and see stuff. We gotta go back and ride the Everest ride and ride the safari in Cali River Rapids. So we're just gonna do this, and then I will show you guys. We'll see you guys back at the park. So, say that. We actually done stayed in the resort for more than an hour, but we about to go back to Animal Kingdom, ride some more rides, and try and ride Flight of Passage again because it's a low wait time, and that was lit. That was fun. Like, this is probably like the best time to come because you get to ride it. You can ride most of the rides that you want to ride a lot because it's less people and less wait time, so therefore you're able to just go and ride. But yeah, so we're gonna head back, ride some more rides that we didn't ride, and then ride
switching your shirt.
Flight of Passage. No, I'm gonna keep it on. And ride Flight of Passage, and then after the park closes, we're gonna go to Disney Springs. So we'll see you guys.
I changed.
Yeah, she changed. They can't see you.
Stitch Biker Shorts, just plain white tee from Target. My Pandora Magic Bean, mask, Monsters University hat, and I just linked my new Magic Band to the app, and I took off the little gray part because I have a kid-sized wrist.
So yeah, so we'll see you guys back at the park. Can't show you out of bed.
We are back at Animal Kingdom. Oh, we just missed like a little cavalcade thingy in a River. Everybody's leaving.
Not everybody.
Not everybody. But wait times are down, and that's a good thing. So, off to where?
Everest.
Everest, and then we're gonna go Flight of Passage again.
And then
Okay, and then after that, Safari.
Oh, I got it. I dropped my phone.
No.
I buy a new one. Guys, we just rode Everest twice, the Yeti ride, because we were able to get on, and then it was a walk on after that. It was like 10 minutes and then a walk on.
What's walking your nose?
I see, it sees you though. But yeah, so we're going to Flight of Passage again because it's a 20-minute wait, and we're gonna do that.
The best times to come is now.
Yeah, so we're gonna do that, and then we're gonna do the safari, and then River Rapids, and then
You're really vlogging your mouth.
by the time we do all that, no, not. But by the time we do all that, we should be going to Disney Springs. So we'll see you guys at the next ride.
It's dark as heck. I'm going on the safari right now. We just had a night blossom. That drink is really good. So off to the safari and we'll show you the animals.
Inside we are seeing a black rhino. There's one that's pretty far back there in the yard, as well as one a little bit closer here on the left-hand side. Now those black rhino are going to get up to 3,000 pounds. But they are unfortunately being poached for those horns they have made of keratin. Keratin is what your hair and fingernails are made of. Now unfortunately, my friends, there are only about 5,000 black rhinos left in the entire world. That's pretty far back there in the yard, as well as one a little bit closer here on the left-hand side. Now those black rhino are going to get up to 3,000 pounds. But they are unfortunately being poached for those horns they have made of keratin. Keratin is what your hair and fingernails are made of. Now unfortunately, my friends, there are only about 5,000 black rhinos left in the entire world. You're seeing there will get up to about 3 to 4 feet long, but they are honeycomb on the inside like a beehive. It does help to keep them cool, and they are very lightweight. A lot of blood will run through those horns in order to keep them cool in the hot Savannah sun. Now they are some of the only domesticated animals that you can find here on the reserve. In fact, one of the earliest records we have of Ankole cattle being used as working animals comes from ancient Egyptian hieroglyphics. Now we can tell that these are Maasai giraffe because of the rough, irregular patterns they have on their coats. Something that helps them do that is those black tear marks that you see on their face. They do help to reflect the sun so that they don't get a glare when hunting. Now, of course, cheetahs can also get up to 60 miles per hour, but they are sprinters.
Just rode Expedition Everest for a third time. We're off to Disney Springs because this park closes in less than 30 minutes. So, off to Disney Springs to see what we can get. We know we're getting a case. We know we're making a case, but we don't know what else. So, off to Disney Springs. We're at Coronado Springs because there's no bus that takes you from Animal Kingdom to Disney Springs. So now we have to just walk. This resort, oh, I see, it's like right there. This resort is really pretty, but it's mad big. So if we get put in the back somewhere, I think I would have died. I think I would have died. Would you ever die? Coming from the park, I would have died. But it's really nice here. This resort is really nice. Oh, they grilling on a grill. So, off to Disney Springs.
Guys, we're at Disney Springs, like she said. This is Disney Springs.
No, we're not even there yet. We're
That's Disney Springs.
Oh, it looks very nice. Look at that boat. It looks nice.
Disney Springs from across the way.
We're back. We did not vlog at Disney Springs because there was way too many people.
Well.
I mean, I did get a little clip of the people singing the Spanish music, but that's about it.
Yeah, so went to Disney Springs. I got my case, like I said I was gonna get. I made a case. Star Wars, she made one case.
All the princesses on it.
And then she got...
So on Monday, I'm trying to be like Ariel bounding. So like you'll see on Monday. So I just got the Ariel hat so people knew who the heck I was. And yeah, this is just our cases in that bag. And then I got a Pandora charm. It's a Disney Park exclusive. It is the Castle with Tinkerbell. It's kind of hard to like see Tinkerbell. Where is Tinkerbell? There she is. It's the Castle with Tinkerbell. She's supposed to be like flying over the castle, like she does in Happily Ever After. If you've ever seen that. But that's about it. That's all we've got.
So yeah, and we got dinner and we got snacks, but we about to end the vlog.
I got a Mickey pretzel, Mickey bar.
But we're gonna end the vlog, so we'll see you guys tomorrow for day 3. And it's a wrap for day 2.
Oh, I'm tired.
And see you on the next one. Subscribe, like, comment, all that other good stuff. And
you can't see me. There we go.
Yeah. So we'll see you on the next one. Peace.